Hello everyone, let us discuss an example on fragmentation. The question is, an IP router with a MTU of 200 bytes received an IP packet of size 520 bytes with an IP header of the length 20 bytes. What are the values relevant to fragmentation? Let us see the solution for this question. Given MTU equals to 200 bytes. MTU means maximum transmission unit. Okay. So MTU mainly consists of header and a payload. Okay. A given IP packet size is 520 bytes and header is 20 bytes. Okay. So payload will be 520 minus 20, which is 500 bytes. Now you came to know that total number of bytes in this IP datagram is 500 bytes, right? So now you have to divide this IP datagram into fragments. Now what should be the maximum size of a fragment? Given MTU is equals to 200, okay? So header is also a part of MTU. So we will minus 200 minus 20, which is 180. So 180 will be the maximum fragment size. Now you came to know that the maximum size of the fragment is 180. Okay. Before choosing the first fragment, there is a condition, which is first byte number in a fragment should not be, it should be divisible by 8. The first fragment should have the range of 0 to 179. So you can't consider 180 as a first fragment. Let's consider a fragment size of 176 because it is less than 200, also less than 180, and it is also divisible by 8. So let us consider the fragment size of 176. So 176 plus 176 plus 148, which is equals to 500. So we have divided this 500 bytes into 3 different fragments. Once you have arrived at the size, then it is easy for you to write the remaining values related to the fragmentation. So the original IP datagram for all the 3 is 500 mentioned. So the original datagram has a range of 0 to 499 bytes, right? So now let us start writing the range for first fragment. So the range for first fragment will be 0 to 175. So second fragment will be 176 to 351 and third fragment will be 352 to 149. This will be the range for the first, second and third fragment. So total length, how do you calculate the total length? It is like a sum of first segment plus header, which is 20 bytes. So 176 plus 20 bytes, which is 196, and 176 plus 20 bytes, which is 196 bytes, and the third byte total length will be 168 bytes. Now we'll see the offset. Okay, offset field is used to indicate the starting position of the data in the fragment in relation to the start of the data in the original packet. So here we use first fragment size starts with position 000 and the second fragment starts with position 022 and the third one 044. I hope you understood. Now identification number. All the fragments must have the same identification number. You can choose any random identification number because it has got 16 bits reserved for identification. 2002 to the power 16, that is 65,535. So any number between 0 to this can randomly you can choose. So I have chosen 18,001. So all fragments should have same number of identification, so I have written same. I hope you understood this, and these are the values which are relevant to the fragmentation. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.